Right through this gap, I hear a noise, and suddenly a flashlight comes on, and a man starts walking right towards me. I had my knife out. Turns out it was some Caucasian kid, mumbled something about looking for his clothes. Then he puttered on into the night. Tell you what, I didn't sleep well after that. So this is the wall. It's interesting that before there was the United States and Mexico, there was just the earth, the desert, for millions, billions of years before we came along. Here we inhabit it, just trying to get along, make it through life, have a little fun, share a little love. And maybe this is the best way for us to get along. Maybe it's not. It's good that we're having the discussion because we care. That has to be the point, right? That no matter what side of the wall you're on or the political divide you're on, you care. You're trying to make it right. You're trying to find the best position to both protect your family, your culture, your way of life, and also be as loving and as kind to our other humans, other brothers and sisters in this world as possible. Let us find the ideal way to do it, whether it's this or something else.
Look at this son of a bitch.
That's why I took the stuff off. I got some camera gear. I was trying to film the journey along the wall.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's all part of the story, you know?
Yeah.